Hello DIY enthusiasts and professionals alike. Today we're diving into the features of a powerful oscillating tool that's sure to become your go-to for a variety of projects. This corded electric multi-tool boasts a 1.5 amp pure copper motor, delivering up to 22,000 oscillations per minute for effortless cutting, sawing, trimming, grinding, and sanding. Its sturdy die-cast aluminum head not only enhances heat dissipation but also extends the tool's service life, allowing you to reach tight, hard-to-reach spaces with ease. Designed with user comfort in mind, its compact size and ergonomic soft grip ensure optimal handling and control, while the 2-meter-long cable provides extra working space for those intricate jobs. This versatile tool is perfect for cutting, scraping, and sanding, making it an essential addition to any toolkit. The package includes everything you need to get started: an oscillating power tool, a scraper blade, a semi-circle wood saw blade, a metal blade for soft metal cutting, a wood blade, a triangular sanding pad, a hex key, and 6 pieces of sanding paper. Whether you're a seasoned pro or a DIY novice, this oscillating multi-tool is designed to tackle a wide range of tasks with precision and ease. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on future useful product reviews.